One thing we forgot about for New Year's is that Coley, well, all of our kids, except Emily. Emily's not scared anymore.
He's worse than
Yeah. Well, all of our kids have been scared of fireworks. We haven't watched fireworks since Emily was a baby, pretty much.
Oh, he loves it! Yay!
More? Yeah, there's tons.
Good job, buddy.
I didn't know they came.
Coley, do not get soaked. Okay, what are you making, Coley?
Banana muffins for you guys.
Okay, did you finish mixing it?
Yep.
Is it ready? No, it's not.
Yeah, let's have fun, Daddy.
Let me see. See it in the thing? Goodness, boy, what are we gonna do with you?
be able to hit some. Oh, here we go. There we go. We got a. Oh no!
Reagan.
Somehow.
Take your time. No, don't worry about fall in the ramp. All right, I'll move the ramp. All right, big boy, be careful, okay? So we're on the road and we are getting ready to drop Jordan off at work, but we wanted to celebrate his birthday tomorrow.
That's the biggest problem.
He's eating some of yours.
Whatever.
My heart rate.
Aroa.
Oh my gosh.
It's just shoving it in his face. He doesn't even know what he's eating. I could put a piece of broccoli and he might actually eat it.
If heaven is a place on earth, this is not it.
Heading out to Denver.
Don't leave.
It's me.
Love you. We're at the aquarium. Hi, buddy. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know where we are?
Yeah.
Where? favorite. These are called moon jellies. They keep going around. Here comes one, buddy. There's one. Good job!
That's so awesome!
Heidi. Hey, you. Did you have a good sleep? Good. You coming down?
Hey, Auntie Missy!
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you. Hi, Beckham.
Come on, Auntie Missy. Come on, Auntie Missy.
Hold on a second. Beckham's coming.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi.
Toodles.
Cheers. I missed you guys.
I miss you.
Thanks for coming and pick me up in the middle of the night.
Happy
Daddy.
birthday.
Happy birthday! Oh, you guys are the best. Right? This is me,
Your
Party
party animal. Mom.
animal mommy. Yep, that's confetti glasses. Emily made also, besides the party animal mommy, happy birthday, we love you this much. And it goes all the way around with her elbow.
It's like a mountain elbow.
And then her hands are on the back. How cute is that?
I loved you while you were gone.
I loved you.
Yeah.
I loved you while you were gone. And
I missed you so much.
I missed you from Coley. Can
I
you tell me
miss-
what that says?
I miss you because you were on the plane, and I wrote this thing for you because I miss you because I wanted to draw the bulldozer. You can draw the bulldozer when you can do everything. The end.
The end. The end.